evening, Doha. It feels really great in front of you once again. And thank you so much for selecting my idea. I feel really good about it. And I'm passionate about my idea now, more than ever. Okay. I was talking about an idea yesterday. An idea can be an aspirin or can be a vitamin, or it can be both. So a lot of people came to me and asked me, what is your idea? And I told them it's a multivitamin which can take away your pain. Well, before I start this presentation, I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Imagine you're looking for a car loan or a bank loan. What are you going to do? Which bank are you going to approach? Are you going to go through all the banks to get the best deal for you? Are you still sending money back home because you don't know where to invest in Qatar or other Middle Eastern regions? Well, I have an answer for you guys here. Banksoup. Banksoup.com, an online, innovative, unbiased platform which is an answer to your queries, which can provide you all banking and financial related services with just a single click. Banksoup.com. Banksoup.com does not promote one bank, but it provides you a platform where you can confirm and compare various banking and financial services and apply for what best suits you. That's the idea of Banksoup.com. Well, our mission is very simple. We want to be one-stop shop for all financial requirements of yours. That's what we want to be. In terms of our mantra is banking simplified. We want to make banking so simple that even a teenager can select what's good for him in terms of financials. Let's move on to our target audience. Who's the target audience? Where is the target audience? Well, in terms of figure, a recent survey just declared that the current banking population of Qatar stands at 800,000 people. And that's not enough. It is going to add on 200,000 people more in next 5 years, which is going to make it a million population, banking population in Qatar in next 5 years. So what are we going to do with this population? Well, we are going to sell them Banksoup. How? We target just 1% of this population, and up 1% target is very conservative, but we keep it as 1%. We target to sell this solution to 10,000 people, and when we say sell, it's actually free of cost. They don't have to pay anything for this. They have to just go on this portal, select what's good for them, and subscribe for it. We charge for each and every solution sold to these guys, not to the audience, but to the banks or financial institutes. That's the concept. And we make 30 million Qatari riyals in next 5 years by just 10,000 subscribers on this portal. So think about 1% population target makes 30 million Qatari riyal. Think about if we make more than that. If we have a target of 5% population, maybe more than that. That's the power of Banksoup.com. How are we going to do this? Well, the idea is to promote this brand with two marketing strategies. One is for the existing population in Qatar. Second is the potential population which is out of Qatar but are going to come in Qatar in next 5 years. The idea is to target existing population through 3 mediums. Online, we'll make sure that the complete online social media active population of Qatar, which stands at 400,000, we'll target that population and make sure that we route that population on our website without any problem. We'll make sure that we target the whole audience through our sales team, and we organize financial events and webinars wherein we guide them how to plan their financials on a regular basis. How are we going to target the potential customers who are going to come to Qatar in the next 5 years, and the figure is 200,000. Whenever they search anything about Qatar in next 5 years, they'll see Banksoup and Banksoup's product on internet. Whenever they want to plan something about financials, they'll see Banksoup's articles promoting on the internet. That is how we are going to target this whole complete population. And not to forget, we already have 3 banks supporting us for this idea, and they are going to promote our brand as well. Well, just to end this, I would like to say this thing, that the call to action is 8 weeks from now. And I'm sure you guys don't want to miss this bus, and you're going to use this platform as frequently as you guys can. Happy banking, and thank you so much for listening to me.